Bromine. Atomic number 35. One of only two elements that is liquid at room temperature and the only nonmetal bold enough to exist as a volatile fuming red liquid.
Bromine did not form in the Big Bang. They were born inside stars, forged by neutron capture processes in massive stellar interiors. Its name comes from the Greek word bromos, meaning stench or bad smell, a fitting label for an element known for its sharp, irritating vapors.
Bromine was discovered in 1826 by the French chemist Antoine-Jérôme Ballard. He isolated it from seawater-derived bromide salts, revealing the first liquid nonmetallic element.
Bromine occupies group 17, the halogens. Between chlorine and iodine, its reactivity is intermediate, but still significant.
At room temperature, bromine is a heavy, volatile liquid, dense, red-brown, and slowly evaporating. Its boiling point sits just above body temperature, so it always gives off a dense vapor. That vapor is elemental bromine gas, toxic, corrosive, and sharply irritating. Even low concentrations can damage airways, making handling a serious safety concern.
Bromine rarely appears in isolation. Its compounds dominate, from silver bromide in traditional photography to flame-retardant organic molecules in plastics. Bromine is a strong oxidizing agent, reacting vigorously with metals like aluminum and even with many organic molecules. This makes it both useful and hazardous. As a halogen, bromine sits between chlorine and iodine, more reactive than iodine, but less than chlorine. It still attacks metals and organics aggressively, driven by its high electronegativity. Brominated flame retardants are among its most important uses, protecting electronics, fabrics, and construction materials by slowing the spread of fire. The chemistry of bromine saves lives in modern infrastructure. Beyond flame retardants, bromine cleans water, forming hypobromous acid that kills microbes. It also appears in drilling fluids and in certain agricultural chemicals. Historically, bromine compounds were used as sedatives, calming the nervous system in medicine. Today, safer alternatives dominate, but bromine still lurks in some pharmaceuticals and dyes. In agriculture, bromine once powered fumigants that protected crops from pests and pathogens. Tight environmental and health regulations now limit its use, favoring safer alternatives. Elemental bromine is highly toxic and corrosive, capable of burning skin and damaging lungs. Safe handling demands strict protocols, fume hoods, gloves, and rigorous ventilation. Today, most bromine comes from brine, concentrated in the Dead Sea, the Great Salt Lake. Major consumers of bromine include the United States, China, and several European nations, powering flame retardants, water treatment, and pharmaceutical chemistry. Understanding its power and danger is key.